You won't believe the power of these cleaning tools, but use them wrong, and they can cause serious damage. High-pressure water tanks are incredible for cleaning car exteriors, blasting away dirt and grime with ease. But beware, if used carelessly, they can trap sand and gravel, causing severe damage to car paint. Meanwhile, foam insulation materials aren't just for walls. They also help with cleaning and insulating spaces effectively. But always prioritize safety. Protect your feet while using high-pressure tools. For recycling old electronics, when it comes to cleaning cups, a high-pressure cup washer sprays water in all directions, tackling any shape or size. And for delicate items, ultrasonic cleaners make dirt vanish like magic. For smaller tasks, melted silicone can clean charging ports effortlessly, pulling out debris once cooled. And let's not forget the muddy mess of off-road gear. With the right tools, foaming detergent, and some elbow grease, even the toughest stains can be conquered. These cleaning methods are proof that no mess is too big or too small for the right technique.